So you might be wondering to yourself, what exactly is addition? So if ever you've seen any of these words before, like sum, altogether, all, and all in math, what we're basically asking you is to add two or more numbers together. Now, we could easily answer the question, how many dogs are on this picture? For example, there's one dog here, a second dog here, and a third dog here. That's pretty easy. But how would we represent this through addition? Well, we have one dog over here, plus another dog over here, and a third dog over here. So that would be 1 plus 1 plus 1, or 3 dogs. Addition is also super helpful when we're adding all sorts of things. So here, let's answer the question of how many pets are shown below. Let's start with the dogs. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 dogs, and 1, 2 cats. So 4 dogs plus 2 cats is going to give us our total number of pets. Well, 4 plus 2 is 6. So therefore, we have 6 pets. Addition can also be shown on a number line like below. So when we start off with a number line, it's useful to label it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can keep going if you like. Let's start with the dogs. So we started at 0 pets. So first we had 1 dog, 2 dogs, and 3 dogs. Then we're going to add 2 cats. So 1 cat, 2 cats. As you can see here, 3 dogs plus 2 cats equals 5. So therefore, there are 5 pets shown below.